Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to share a game in chess.com. First of all, open chess.com application. Make sure you've played the game and completed it. Without completing the game, you'll not be able to share it. Now, once the game is completed, what you have to do is tap on this option for options that you can see at bottom. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you can see the option for share game. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to share the game. You can see various platforms over here. You can also copy it if you want. For that, tap on the field copy. Now once you do that, the link to this particular game will be copied, or you can simply tap on any platform of your choice. After you do that, that platform will be opened. Simply send it to the person that you would like to send it to. Now whenever somebody taps on this link, they'll be able to see the game. So like this, you'll be able to share game on chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.